inside a building. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern San Augustine County in eastern Texas, central Sabine County in eastern Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:09 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Milam, or 25 miles northwest of Toledo Bend Dam, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milam, Mani, Zawali, Hemphill, Rosevine, Pleasant Hill, Florian, Noble, Fisher, Mount Carmel, Belmont, Negrete, and Columbus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish, Sabine, Louisiana, and the following counties, in Texas, Sabine and San Augustine.